How to enable chat bubble on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Messenger. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner and then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. From here, scroll down to the preferences section, and from there you will see the option that says chat heads. Click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and by doing that you have just enabled the chat bubble on Messenger. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate and turn on the chat bubble on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.